Meaning of granny.
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 Granny. The word granny is a term of endearment that is commonly used to refer to one's grandmother. It is a word that evokes warmth, comfort, and nostalgia. The image of a granny conjures up thoughts of home-cooked meals, cozy sweaters, and loving hugs. In some cultures, grandmothers play a significant role in the upbringing of their grandchildren and are regarded as wise and experienced matriarchs. Overall, the word granny carries a sense of familial love and respect that spans generations and is often associated with fond childhood memories.